You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word. This is both a noun and a verb, and it has a different meaning and a different pronunciation, whether it's a noun or a verb. So let's go through. Let's start with a noun. When this is a noun, it's pronounced as annex, with a stress on the first syllable. So you have an annex. So this is an addition to a house. For example, if you add a room to a house, this is an annex. Or if you add some documents into a file, it's an annex. Okay, annex. Annex. Now, as a verb, it has two different pronunciations. This is when, like, a country invades another country and it occupies the land. This is pronounced as either annex, annex, with a stress on the second syllable this time, annex, or annex. So you have the two different pronunciations. The top one is annex, annex, to annex a different country, or the bottom pronunciation is with a schwa sound and a sound, annex. Okay, as in Russia annex, or annexes its neighbor. Annex, with a stress on the second syllable. So that's the verb. As a noun, it's an annex, with a stress on the first syllable. Did you get this? Does that make sense? I hope it did. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.